Hi, everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll talk about how to approve Cash App requests in just a single day. So let's get started. If you're tired of waiting for days to get your Cash App requests approved, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through some quick and effective tips to speed up the approval process and get your money when you need it. So, let's dive in. Keep your account information updated. The first step is to ensure all your account details are accurate and up to date. This includes your name, phone number, email, and linked bank account. Incorrect information can lead to delays. Verify your identity. Cash App offers a feature for identity verification. Completing this process not only adds a layer of security but can also speed up transaction approvals. Link a debit card. Linking a debit card can make transactions smoother. Cash App often prioritizes transactions from linked debit cards, reducing the approval time. Set up direct deposit. If you receive regular payments, consider setting up direct deposit. This is one of the fastest ways to get money into your Cash App account. Use a recognized Wi-Fi connection. Ensure you're using a secure and recognized Wi-Fi connection. Unsecure networks can trigger security checks and slow down approvals. Avoid cryptocurrency transactions. Cryptocurrency transactions can sometimes take longer to process. If you're in a hurry, it's best to avoid them. Check for pending transactions. Sometimes, pending transactions can block new ones. Make sure you don't have any ongoing transactions that need attention. Contact Cash App support. If you've followed all the steps and still experience delays, don't hesitate to reach out to Cash App support. They can provide guidance and assistance. Enable notifications. Turning on notifications for the Cash App can keep you informed about your transaction status in real time. Stay patient. While these tips can help expedite the process, remember that Cash App may still conduct security checks to ensure your safety. So, stay patient and allow for some processing time. Conclusion. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can significantly reduce the waiting time for Cash App request approvals. Remember, while speed is essential, security is a top priority for Cash App. So, balance both aspects for a smooth and secure experience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips and tricks on managing your finances with Cash App. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.